Hello guys, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Now we will discuss the topic of grammar, reported speech. Reported speech. The other name of this topic is narration. Reported speech have two parts: direct speech and the second one indirect speech. Indirect speech. For example, he said, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. This part of the sentence is a reporting verb. Reporting verb, and the part which is closed into inverted commas is called reported speech. Reported speech. The topic is reported speech. We will change the reported speech, not the reporting verb. Reporting verb comes as it is in the indirect speech. He said, and here we will use the conjunctions that after removing the commas in the sentence. I is the first person pronoun. First person pronoun is changed according the subject of reporting verb. First person pronoun is changed according the subject of reporting verb. That's why I will be changed into he. He. Ismr is changed into was. He was a teacher. He was a teacher. Inverted commas will be removed. First rule of the reported speech: change direct speech into indirect speech is if reporting verb is in present tense or future tense. The tense of reported speech does not change. If the reporting verb of the sentence is in the present tense or future tense, then the tense of reported speech is not changed. For example, he says, they live in Delhi. Indirect speech will be he says. This is the reporting verb. Reporting verb never change, and that conjunction is used here after removing the commas. That they is the third person, no change. They live is the first form of verb. This form of verb is not changed because reporting verb is in present tense. They live in Delhi. This is the rule. If reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, then the tense of reported speech will not change. And the next rule of future tense, he will say, he will say, I speak English. I speak English. Indirect speech of this sentence is he will say that, he will say that I is the first person pronoun is changed according to the subject of reporting verbs. I is changed into he. He speak. He speak. Speak is the first form of verbs and comes as it is in this indirect speech because reporting verb have the tense future tense. This is the rule. If the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, then the reported speech tense is not changed. Speak English. This is the indirect speech of direct speech in future tense. Next rule of reported speech is present indefinite tense. Indefinite tense changed into past indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense is used into past indefinite tense. It means verbs first form is changed into second form. For examples, she says, she said. We will use past tense in the sentence. That's why the tense of reported speech will be changed. She said, I lived in foreign. Indirect speech, she said that I is the first person pronoun is according to the subject. She. Verb's first form is changed into second form. Lived in foreign. She lived in foreign. And the third rule of the reported speech is third rule of reported speech is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is changed into past continuous tense. Past continuous tense means EMR is changed into was were. EMR is changed into was were. For examples, he said I am writing a poem. I am writing a poems. Indirect speech of this sentence is he said that he he is the first person pronoun. This is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. Ijmr is changed into was, were. He was writing a poem. He was writing a poem. And fourth rule of this reported speech is present perfect. Present perfect tense is changed into past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. It means has, have. Helping verb is changed into had. For example, they said commas we have done our work, close into inverted speech. And the indirect speech of this sentence is they said. That conjunction is used after removing the comma. That we is the first person pronoun that is that is changed according to the subject. They have is changed into had. Done, there is the first person pronoun is changed according to the subject. They, their work. Their work. First person pronoun. First person pronoun is changed according to subject of reporting verb. Second person pronoun changed according to object of reporting verb. And third person no change. Third person no change. This is our basic rule for the topic of reported speech. Then we will discuss our next half part of this topic in the next video. And now thanks for this video. Please like and subscribe my channel if you liked it really by heart. Thank you very much.